The first thing I did was to basically probe the drywall. You can see me poking at it here with my knife, and the purpose of that is to find out if the sheetrock has softened, rotted and such, and if I need to cut it out. Sometimes you can get by with just scraping off the surface and recoating it, but in this case it was too far gone, so we decided to cut it out. So after covering the floors and some basic masking, the first thing I did was measure it out and find out roughly what size. And I usually like to go an inch or two wider than what it looks like. For today's drywall repair job, I got called by a customer who has watched me a lot on YouTube, and they said they really wanted me to do it because they're trying to sell their house and they wanted the texture to match. So I'm going to show you how I did all that right after this.